Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm here at crypto.com in the Defi wallet, and what I'm going to do is I have a lesson learned for you guys. So stay tuned to the end of the video to listen, to hear that. So CRO is now at 46 cents. Pretty good. We're on the way back up again after the little correction we had in the market. And we're on the way back up, on the way to $1. I want to go and I want to stake some more. So I'm going to go to earn. I'm going to say earn more. Earn CRO. I'm going to do 1,000 CRO. So not quite 500 bucks right now. But I have these 5,000 CRO sitting in my account and not doing anything. So I want to make some interest. Now, what I'm looking for here is somebody who doesn't have a lot of voting power, but has a lot of uptime, but pays a good interest rate. Now, I'd like to see at least 12%, but if it's not doable, it's not doable. Actually, well, looks like 11% is definitely there. There's some 12%. All right, let's take a look at those. How about, what do you guys think? Does it matter? I'm going to go with 99.94%. 99. Alright. They only have 0.1 voting power. And, alright, I think that's reasonable. What do you guys think of that pick? Let's take a look. Take a look at the validator. Alright, commission. Here's 1%. Alright. And network fee is pretty low. So, alright, let's do this. Alright, so I requested to be staked here. Let's go back to the main wallet. And we can see the staking CRO is pending. Now I want to share with you a lesson learned. Now I had all this CRO, 5,000 something CRO staked. Go back and watch my videos. But the validator that I picked was frequently on admonishment. And they were not making any interest. And I was like, what the heck is going on with these guys? So I ended up bailing out. I had to wait 28-day debonding period why I didn't make any interest. And when I'm going back in, what I want to do is I want to break these into 1,000 coin lots. So even if one of them has that issue, I'm not going to have that issue with the entire amount. So let's go back in to, okay, it looks like it may have updated by now, so we can take a look at what we have. All right, now I have 2 lots. One is staked at 11.8%. The other is staked at 12.38%. So, in the end, I'll probably have 4 or 5 of these guys going at the same time. Just so if one of them doesn't do well, I can bail out of that one and I won't be heavily impacted. So, still making good interest on this thing. I have taken some CRO and bailed out into VVS Finance to experiment with the VVS Finance platform. I think I'm going to do the initial coin offering over there as well. We'll have to see how that works out. Let me know if you guys want to see more on that. I've made a couple videos, but still very bullish on crypto.com coin. The big issue is here, Bitcoin has not been doing that great. It's flirting with 43,000 again. So that's good news, right? You see over the last 3 months it's been kind of volatile. It's made it up here. Wow, missed that 60K area. But we're going to be heading back there probably within the next few months. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more updates. And get on the train. before we blast off. Thanks for watching.